Hi, Beginner Brass. Today I'm going to do a tutorial here over what is called cut time. So just regular old, that's how you spell it, cut time. Not that big a deal. You guys are used to 4/4 time. 4 beats per measure. The quarter note receives the beat. And remember, the symbol, another symbol that is related to that is the C for common time. So what we're going to deal with is called cut time, which we're going to take everything that we know and cut it in half. The length of the measure is going to be cut in half, and so are the note values, how long a note is held. So cut time is actually in 2/2 time, which means you're going to have 2 beats in the measure, and the half note receives 1 beat. That's a little bit different than what you've dealt with before. The symbol for cut time is the C with a line drawn through it. Looks like a cent sign. So that is your cut time. Now what I'm going to do here on the board is do a comparison chart between cut time and 4/4 time and your note values. So basically with cut time, what happens is all your note values get cut in half. Like a whole note is usually 4 beats long. In cut time, it's only going to be 2 beats long. So everything is cut in half. So give me a second here. So what we'll do here is I'll have common time or 4/4 time over here. Cut time is over here. And then we're going to have your whole note, half note, quarter note, and right now we'll just deal with eighth note. Okay, so in 4/4 time or common time, you guys already know the whole note is 4 beats long. Okay, but in cut time, it gets cut in half. So it's only going to be 2 beats long. Okay, half note in 4/4 time is 2 beats long. The half note in cut time is 1 beat long. So again, it gets cut in half. All right? Pretty easy. You probably know where I'm going with this one. Quarter note, common time, 1 beat long. You already know that one. Over here in cut time, figure it out. Use your math skills. Half a beat. Okay, and then the last one, eighth note in common time is, you guys already know it's half a beat long. Over here, it's going to be a quarter of a beat long. So, what you're going to start dealing with, what's going to sound like, whenever you're in cut time, a whole note is going to feel like you're playing a half note. A half note in cut time is going to feel like you're playing a quarter note in 4/4 time. Okay, so again, all the note values, as you can see here, are cut in half. All right, now, what I want you to do is use something that you already know, a scale. And we're going to play it in cut time. Okay, so on your scale sheets that you have, it starts off with half note, quarter, 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 etc., and on the end, I think it's another half note on the end. All right, so what I want you to do is take, for your assignment this week, you're going to take 2 scales that you already know really well, and you're going to play them in cut time. Now, I'm going to demonstrate that right now. I've got my metronome set at 50 right now, so when I play it regular, it's going to sound really slow. So this is the B flat, the concert B flat scale in common time, like it is exactly like it's written on your scale sheet. 1, 2, 3. So that is your scale in common time. Now in cut time, what's going to happen, it's going to feel like Your half note will now feel like a quarter note. Your quarter notes are going to feel like you're playing eighth notes because everything is cut in half. So essentially what's happening is everything is going to be played twice as fast. So when you play your B flat, your concert B flat scale now, the same tempo, it's going to sound twice as fast. It'll sound like this. 2, ready. So it's just twice as fast as what you normally do. So what I want you to do this week for your recording that'll be due by Saturday at noon, I want you to pick 2 scales of your choice. Any 2 scales. I would right now just choose the easiest 2 and work on playing them in cut time at metronome marking 50, what I just did. Okay? Review this video. If you're still kind of confused, review this video again so you can figure it out. And if you have any questions, please email me and I'll be glad to answer any questions you might have. All right, talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.